Hey YouTube creators! Welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today, we have something exciting and mind-blowing for you. Have you ever wondered how to create up to 30 YouTube Shorts in just 1 hour using the power of AI and Opus Clip? If your answer is yes, then get ready to take your channel to the next level, because we're about to show you the ultimate shortcut to creating engaging and lively YouTube Shorts that will captivate your audience. Let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, let's talk about Opus Clip. It's an incredible AI-powered tool that designed specifically for YouTube creators like you. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use. To get started, you'll just need to head over to the Opus Clip website and create an account. Then once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly dashboard. Opus Clip, it offers a wide range of templates and effects that will make your shorts stand out. You can choose from various themes, styles, and durations, all tailored to your needs. With just a few clicks, you'll have a stunning short video ready to upload. Now let's unleash the AI magic. Opus Clip uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms. This is to analyze your content and create engaging video clips automatically. Imagine the time you'll save while the AI does the heavy lifting for you. The AI can identify exciting moments, add catchy captions, and even suggest the perfect soundtrack to match the vibe of your shorts. It's like having a personal video editing assistant 24/7. Plus, with Opus Clip's intuitive interface, you can fine-tune any aspects of your shorts to make them uniquely yours. Alright, we know what you're thinking. Is this too good to be true? But wait, there's more. Opus Clips allows you to schedule your shorts for release, so you can create a batch of videos at once and release them over time. That's how you can effortlessly make up to 30 YouTube Shorts in just 1 hour. Say goodbye to daily editing struggles and hello to consistent stream of engaging content. And guess what? The more shorts you create, the more your channel will grow. YouTube loves frequent uploads, and Opus Clip is here to make it happen. But we won't just stop there. Let's get hands-on and show you how to create a short from scratch using Opus Clip. Opus Clip allows you to import photos, videos, and music from your device or cloud storage. You can also use AI-powered features to find relevant media based on your video's theme. Let's say your YouTube short is about travel adventures. Opus Clip's AI will suggest relevant images and videos related to travel. This is where Opus Clip's AI shines. It automatically analyzes your selected media and suggests the best arrangement, transitions, and effects to make your video look professional. The AI will consider factors like visual quality, timing, and theme to create an engaging and cohesive video. Though Opus Clip does most of the work, you still have control over the creative process. You can manually adjust transitions, add text overlays, include animated stickers, apply filters to suit your style and preferences. Opus Clip's intuitive interface makes these customizations simple and user-friendly. Opus Clip also offers an extensive library of royalty-free music. Using AI, it can analyze your video's content and suggest suitable background music that complements the visuals and maintains the desired mood. Once you're satisfied with your edits, review the video to ensure everything looks perfect. if needed, make any final adjustment. And when you're ready, tap on the export button. Opus Clip will render your video with all the AI-powered enhancements and deliver a high-quality final product. You can now easily share your YouTube short directly from the app to your YouTube channel. Opus Clip's AI-powered features streamline the entire video creation process, making it very easy to produce professional quality YouTube shorts. From automated editing and smart media suggestions to AI-based music selection, Opus Clips ensures your videos looks impressive with minimal effort. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, Opus Clip empowers you to create stunning YouTube shorts that captivates your audience. Using AI in creating YouTube shorts offers several advantages that can significantly improve the quality and efficiency of the video creation process. Here are some of the reasons why it's better to use AI for YouTube shorts. Because of its speed and efficiency, automated editing, content suggestions, personalizations, music selection, user-friendly interfaces, consistency, resource efficiency, enhanced insights, adaptability, and learning. In summary, AI-powered video creation tools offer speed, efficiency, personalization, consistency, allowing content creators to produce high-quality YouTube shorts with ease. These tools are particularly valuable for beginners and content creators who want to optimize their workflow, focus on creativity, and engage their audience more effectively. See, that was super simple, right? By now, you should be feeling pumped and ready to skyrocket your YouTube channel with awesome AI-powered short. Remember, consistency is the key, and Opus Clip has got your back. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Share this video with your fellow creators so they can also take advantage of the power of AI. Thank you for joining us today. Keep creating, keep innovating, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy short making, and until then, stay awesome. Bye!